In this part, I'm going to show you how to set up your base within Airtable. Once you are logged into your Airtable account, under your workspace, select Add a Base. From here, choose Start from Scratch, and you can name your base, choose a color, and select an icon. Once you are done, click out of this window and into your base. From here, we're going to set up our first table, and I'm going to name this one Jobs. The first column will be where each job posting will go. The second column will be a URL field, which will link to each job posting. The third field will be a single select field called Status. We are going to have 5 statuses: wishlist, applied, interview, offer, and rejected. This is going to be how we track each application. Now I'm going to add a company name field, salary, which is a currency field type, task, which will be a multiple select field type. And for the sake of this example, I'm going to use tailor resume, write cover letter, get references, and apply. Next, we are going to select the created time field type, and we are going to label it date added. I'm going to turn off include a time field and click save. Now I'm going to add a formula field called status updated, and the formula we are going to use is going to be last modified time, and I only want to know when one certain column is updated. And in this case, it's going to be the status field. I'm going to click over to the formatting tab and unselect include a time field and unselect use the same time zone, although you can leave them on if you want, and click save. The last column I'm going to make is another formula field called status changed. The formula is going to be to now. I'm going to select the status updated column header, and because I want each row to say status changed 15 hours ago, 2 days ago, 4 weeks ago, I'm going to add a little string. You'll notice that there's an error message, and that's because status updated is currently empty. So I'm going to go back into a status changed formula and add an if statement that says if the status updated field is equal to blank, then leave status changed blank. Otherwise, run the to now formula, and then I'm going to close this with the parentheses and click save. Now our first table is all set up, and we are ready to move on to the next part.